Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AVVH, BRLL, CEI, CYBL, EEGI, FERN, ILUS, LWLG, MJWL, MMMM, MTRT, PHBI, RGBP, SFOR, BOPO, FDVRF, JZZI, and VGLS. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times, if something hot comes across our desk, we will shoot a text-only alert out to our subscribers. So you don't want to miss that. And the best part is that email and text messages are both free. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Guys, just a lackluster week on the OTC markets. If it wasn't for, NASDAQ, I wouldn't have made money this week. OTC is just very, very difficult right now. We're not getting these multi-day runners. And this is just a seasonal thing. And right now, I have a lot of cash on the sidelines. I'm waiting for, opportunities, waiting for this month to be over and waiting for the high season to come in. And that's, October, November, to February, March. Last year was incredible. And, the year before that was good. So, that's what we wait around for. And this is why you have to be constantly, watching the markets, looking for new opportunities, because it might get hot, next week. I don't know. But I'm on every day looking, going through charts, running screens, looking at filings, because the stocks that I'm going to talk about today, these are past runners we're seeing some bounce. But, last year and every year, there's going to be new runners. So I really want everyone to get away from, focusing on, HMBL, ENZC. Yeah, they may run again, but, that play was last year. Are they going to run again? I don't know. It's just, I know these markets, the momentum swings. And right now, there's just not a lot of excitement in these old plays right now. And, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just relaying facts. Let's, look at AVVH here. This is an SSM monopoly play. They are getting share cancellations, new custodianship, and they'll put a merger, into this company. Was a runner this year, ran to 10 cents, pulled all the way back to 2 cents, held the 200-day, and now we're at 5 cents again. So, this one is been a nice runner the past couple of of days, and let's see how it plays out and what the merger candidate will be. BRLL was a runner earlier this year. Everyone got buried in it, waiting for Harp to get his act together. He's the chairman. It's had a nice bounce off the 1 cent level. They're working to get current, so they have 2 weeks left. Come on, guys, get it current, and this stock will be off and running again. So let's see if they can deliver. CEI, this has saved a lot of people this month. We talked about this one on September 1st when it was 50 cents. It's almost a 400% runner for our subscribers. All it takes is 1 or 2 plays a month like this, and you're sitting pretty. So it's about owning more of what's working and owning less of what's not. I tell people to buy dips, sell rips. Yeah, that's on stocks that are running. But, if it keeps dipping and you keep throwing money at it, this could be a bottom, a black hole. So, you guys really don't want to be doing that in a lot of these plays. You want to be diversified, own 10 to 20 or more penny stocks, but don't get too heavy into, 1 or 2 losers. 1 or 2 winners is fine. Add to your position as the stock is running, because when these penny stocks run, they run. And, so you just got to look for that momentum change and then ride the wave. CYBL just got current, ran from the double zeros. We're up here at the 2 cent mark. We break through here, we're going to be off and running. And the RSI is right now only 65, so we still have more room to run on this one. I like the recent price action, and we should see new highs here shortly. EEGI, this is another one with the stop sign working to get current. Attorney letter dropped yesterday. Filings are coming. CEO says that everything's moving along. So again, this was a past runner that collapsed, and now it's trying to make a run again. And what we try to do here at Insider Financial is that this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this play like back in April or May. That's when we talked about EEGI. We're looking to get in early and find these new plays, before they run. Because after they run, then they collapse. Everyone goes pump and dump, pump and dump. Well, that if you look at the charts, most OTC stocks, this is how they trade. You get in, then you have an incredible spike higher, and then it crashes right back down to where it started. I mean, EEGI is a classic example. This one started from, under 0.001, ran all the way to, a penny, and then dropped all the way back down to right where it started. So a complete retracement, and this is this is more common. This is the scenario that 9 out of 10 penny stocks on the OTC, this is the chart pattern you're going to see. Everyone's looking for this one that just incessantly, keeps running. Good luck. That is just, you're not investing in Amazon. You're not investing in Apple. These are extremely volatile plays, and you got to trade the volatility. And I'm not talking about intraday, getting in and trying to trade, on a daily basis like that clown Tim Sykes. He's I made $500 today with, a $1,200 account or $7,000, whatever he's trading with. He makes his money off subscriptions. He's not making his money off trading, guys. So, just so you know that. He charges for classes, videos, signing up for his site Profitly. That's where he makes his money. He's not making his money trading. So, guys, we know that most of our subscribers, our followers, our listeners, you guys are not, you guys got jobs. You're in school or whatever. You don't have time to watch the screen, throughout the day. You're looking to get positioned, in the morning, and then, seeing it play out over a couple days, couple weeks, couple months, and catch that run. Those are the types of plays we're looking for here. We're looking for those plays that you can, get in early and then let play out. Chasing, we don't do that. Case in point, there's 4 new runners today. We haven't covered them yet on the site because we don't know how they're going to play out. BOPO was up 500%. This is a new play. I mean, 500% runners, this RSI of 83, most likely this is down tomorrow. And then, we'll investigate and see what we see if the dip is worth buying. But, right now, this is not the type of play we chase. We try to get in over here, at the 5 cent. Unfortunately, we missed the move in BOPO. And this is common. I mean, you can't be in every play or catch every move. And we missed it and move on, and let's see how it plays out. FDVRF, this has gotten killed. Finally, a bounce yesterday up 123%. There's some litigation going on. We'll be doing a deep dive on this one as well to see if this dip is worth buying. Another one is JZZI, up 105%. Had a huge spike up to 0.0246, closed at 1.5 cents. This is not a good sign to close that this far off the high. This is one we wouldn't be chasing here. VGLS, this is double zero. Double zeros we really like. These can be the risk reward is very favorable, especially if you get above a penny. But this is one we'll be watching and see if it's worth taking a position in or not for our subscribers. Let's see, moving on, FERN, FERN, trading up here near the highs. This is a crypto play. Bitcoin's running again, Ethereum. So crypto plays right now. They should be getting hot, but they aren't. Case in point is MJWL. They're getting ready to do a big merge. We've covered this one on the site. They're doing a big merger, but again, until it closes, you get a lot of people just on the sidelines waiting. Like last year, TSNP, once the symbol changed and it became humble, that's when things really got hot, and that's when it ran to almost $8. LWLG, this is a great play. We talked about this one just above $2 at $2.55 to be exact. Ran to over 17, pulled back to 6. It's an uplisting, went from OTC to NASDAQ. These are great plays. Once it hits NASDAQ, institutions can buy. It's optionable. It's allows a lot, much bigger shareholder base. Investors can play it. It's easier for Webull, Robinhood traders to now get in on plays like LWLG. Quadruple M, we talked about this on the site. This has been a nice runner for our subscribers. Back in August, this one was 7.5 cents, ran to just under 60, just about 50 cents, pulled back here to 40 cents. This one here is, we just need a close above 50 cents, and then this one can really get running again. What else is going on here, guys? PHBI, just a $10 million market cap. This is getting ready to merge with a California cannabis company. They're projecting $10 million in annual revenues. You know, a $10 million market cap for a company that's, you know, the merger going to be doing $10 million in annual revenues. This is a low float. This is still cheap in my opinion. MTRT, this one is a crypto merger. I talked about this one. Guys, this is typical, you know, what I was talking about earlier, pump and dump. This came crashing down, and I've been telling everybody on our videos, you know, don't go chasing these types of plays. Wait for the dip at $1.40. You know, this is one you can take a look at, nibble on it, but you know, we got to see how it plays out. They're merging with a Hong Kong Korean play, medium. Definitely looks interesting. But definitely this is one you got to learn to trade based off RSI. I told you the other day on our videos that it was overbought here, and like clockwork it sold off. So if you had caught the move in MTRT, you know, followed my advice, again, I'm not a financial advisor, and got out when the RSI was showing overbought, congratulations. You can look here now at buying on the dip. RGBP holding up here relatively well, ran to 8 cents. We got a double top, pulled all the way back here, back to 3 cents. We're at 4 cents, just waiting on more news, more catalysts, and let's see how it plays out. SFOR, this is a cybersecurity play. They have a technology which allows for Zoom type communication, Zoom video, which is actually more secure. So for any of you that are familiar with Zoom video, there's been a lot of hacks, and there's definitely a need for a more secure technology, and SFOR has that. We like the CEO, Mark Kay, former investment banker. You know, this one has been a past runner. Let's see if it can run again. But with that being said, I want to wish everyone a profitable day. It's a harder time right now on the OTC. It's just, you know, a fact, and you know, if you're seeing red in your portfolio, you're not alone. Just ride it out. Make sure you have cash on the sidelines, and do what we're doing, looking for new plays. So you know, I'll be doing. It's Friday. Was a good week in CEI on the NASDAQ, so we're happy with our NASDAQ plays. I'll be looking over the weekend for new plays, hopefully find something interesting, have an alert for you guys next week. So make sure you're signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. When the markets get hot, they get hot, and you know, we have a great rep of getting our subscribers in before these big moves. So that's what we're focused on, and hopefully we find the next TSMP for you guys. Thank you, everyone, and I'll be coming live to you with a new video tomorrow. Bye-bye.